Dylan, you're drawing so well. Good job, dude. Do you like to draw, baby? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Is it good? You sitting in a booster chair? Yeah. Are you all done? Beautiful. And McQueen. On McQueen, huh? Ooh, oh. Getting some new paint. There we go. It's a good blue color, Dylan. Nice job. I love you. You done? Okay. I'll show you the video.